How to edit or delete CNAME record in cPanel using the DNS Zone Editor. You can edit or delete CNAME records using the cPanel DNS Zone Editor. Log into your cPanel account. You will be on this page. Scroll down to the Domains section and click on the Zone Editor icon. Suppose we want to edit a CNAME record for domainexample.com, then click on the Manage button in front of the domainexample.com. All the DNS records for the domain are loaded on the page. Now click to Apply Filter and show only CNAME records for the domain. Now click on the Edit button in front of that CNAME record which you want to modify. Let's edit the record named forum.example.com. For example, we want to change the name of the record. After making the required changes, click on the Save Record button. The CNAME record has been updated. To delete a CNAME record, just click on the Delete button and continue. We have deleted the particular CNAME record for the domain example.com. Now you know how to edit or delete CNAME record. Thank you for watching.